Marky in his pool. You gonna play in water? Look. Oh, did you get out of water? Good, get back in the pool. Wow. You're playing in water. Me and Selena are sick.
I'm not doing nothing.
We got the.
Not like I'm not waiting for the high school bus.
We got the norovirus.
Not like I'm not waiting for buses.
And Marky, he feels fine and he's ready to go.
I'm about to fall in water. Leave him fine.
As long as he's not crying. I can't handle crying. Uh-oh, did you drop it? There you go. Pretty soon.